Hi students, this is your today's class. This is new chapter, topic coordinate geometry. The chapter name is section formula, chapter 11. Listen mom, for entering this chapter, we are going to use three formulas in the total chapter. First one is the section formula. Section formula, for applying section formula, we need 2 points and 1 ratio. If you have 2 points and 1 ratio in the same question, we are going to use the section formula. That is x1, x2, y1, y2 is the 2 points. m1 and m2 is the ratio. So the formula is m1 x2 plus m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2, comma m1 y2 plus m2 y1 divided by m1 plus m2. Next midpoint formula. Simple. Here we have 2 points and 1 ratio. Here we need only 2 points. If we have 2 points, we need to add the 2 points divided by 2. So x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Next is centroid formula. Centroid formula we have 3 points. We need to add the 3 points and divide by 3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is the centroid formula. So using these three, we are going to see the exercises. Okay, listen the first question. Find the coordinates of the midpoints. What they asked to find midpoints of the line segment joining the following pairs of the points. Okay, ma'am. So listen. Here the question is we need to find the coordinates of the midpoints. Here they given 2 points. So first point you take it x1 y1. Second point you take it x2 y2. What's the midpoint formula? x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. Apply here. What is x1? 2. What is x2? Minus 6 divided by 2, comma what is y1? Minus 3. What is y2? 7 by 2. So next 2 minus 6 minus 4 by 2. Minus 3 plus 7 4 by 2. So equal to minus 2 comma 2 is the midpoints. Now listen, for all the formulas, bracket is very important. You are not writing the formula without bracket. If you missed the bracket, the total answers will be wrong. Okay, next third subdivision. Listen, a plus 3 is the 1 point. This point is x1. 5b is the y1. 2a minus 1 is the one term, so that is x2. 3b plus 4 is the one more term, that is y2. Now we are going to apply the formula. Here also they asked to find midpoints. So x1 plus x2 by 2, comma y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x1? A plus 3 plus what is x2? 2a minus 1 divided by 2. What is y1? 5b plus what is y2? 3b plus 4 divided by 2. Next listen, a plus 3 plus 2a minus 1 divided by 2, comma 5b plus 3b plus 4 by 2. Next add 2a plus a, 3a plus 3 minus 2, 2 divided by 2. 5b plus 3b, 8b plus 4 by 2. Listen here. You are most of the students done the mistake here only. 2 so mostly did 2 cancel. 1 time and 2 times. This is wrong formation. If you have a variable term, you need to cancel the total term. If you are doing like this is wrong. So this is the midpoints for this sum. Okay. Next, second question. The coordinates of the 2 points A and B respectively. P is a point on the line segment AB such that AP is to PB equal to 2 is to 3. This is question. So listen, previous sum we have only 2 points. Here A and B are the 2 points as well as they given the ratio. So if we have 2 points and ratio, we need to use the section formula. Okay, listen, this point is x1 y1, this point is x2 y2. This is m1 and m2. Listen, what is given? P is the point. That means, listen, this is A point, this is B point. Diagram is must mark. What is the A point? Minus 3, 3. What is B point? 12, minus 7. P, listen, P is the point, central point. So AP is to PBR. This is P. So this is APR. What is the value of AP? 2. what is x2? 12 plus what is m2? 3. What is x1? minus 3 divided by m1 plus m2. So 2 plus 3, comma. What is m1? 2. What is y2? minus 7 plus what is m2? 3. What is y1? 3 divided by 2 plus 3. Next, 24 minus 9 by 5. Here minus 14 plus 9 by 5. Here 15 by 5. Here minus 5 by 5. One time 3 times. Here 1 time. So 3 comma minus 1. So therefore the point P is 3 comma minus 1. So this is the section formula. If we have 2 points and 1 ratio, we need to use like this form. Okay, listen, the fourth is first subdivision. Find the coordinates of the points of the trisection. Listen, here they mention the word trisection. Trisection are 3 part. Trisection of the line segment joining the points. Okay, listen ma, here they won't given the ratio. They given 2 points, but they mention the word it's a trisection. Trisection of 3. So listen the solution. What is the first point? A. Take it as A. A point is 3 comma minus 3. B point is 6 comma 9. Given it's a trisection. Trisection of 3 part. Okay, listen the diagram. This is A point. It's a very important listen. This is A point. This is B point. So trisection between A and B we need any 2 points. So this is the 2 points. So listen. First part. This is second part. This is third part. So trisection how we split the ratio. Listen. 1, 2 we have 3 points. This is 1 point. These 2 is the 1 point. So 1, 2, 3 category. 1 is how we split this. 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. Apart from this, we can't split any other term. So, how we take the ratio? 1 is to 2 or 2 is to 1. Add this 3, 3. So, trisection of 3 up. That's all. We have 2 points. This point is x1, y1. This point is x2, y2. This is, you take it 1 is to 2 or else 2 is to 1. It's your wish. This is m1, m2. Apply the section column. What is m1, 1 into what is x2? 6. Plus what is m2? 2. What is x1? 3 divided by 1 plus 2, comma. What is m1? 1. What is y2? 9 plus m2? 2. What is y1? minus 3 divided by 1 plus 2. Next is 6 plus 6 by 3. Here 9 minus 6 by 3. So 12 by 3, 3 by 3. 1 time 4 time 4 comma 1. So listen, therefore the trisection point is 4 comma 1. And this is the answer. Okay ma, I hope you all understand up to this. It's a very easy chapter. If you all clear the formula and the base type of this, so next exercise will be easy. Thank you students.